Hi everyone, and welcome to Module 7. For Module 7, we're going to be reading chapters 16, 17, and 18. I've included the PowerPoints here for your review, the ancillary materials, as well as quiz number 5. For this week, the quiz will be covering just those 3 specific chapters. It's very important with the quiz that you focus on each attempt. Review your answers to ensure that when you take the second attempt, you can try to earn higher points after your review. For this week, we're going to look at the role of pricing strategies. Pricing strategies are very important to evaluate because firms will make decisions based off the pricing that's available. Let me get this a little bit bigger for us. You'll notice that we deal with this concept of arbitrage. Now, arbitrage is dealing with the law of one price. Basically, the law of one price is going to hold in the sense that where we buy the product, it should be the same throughout. And people will take advantage of arbitrage when you look at where they can find one opportunity over another. So, for example, if you look at the iPad or the iPod, if I could buy it in Atlanta, let's say for $4.99, and it's priced at $4.29 in San Francisco, that means people in San Francisco would buy it there at $4.29, and then you would go and sell them all in Atlanta for a price cheaper. That's where arbitrage is focused on. You notice that a lot of us will focus on arbitrage to take advantage of the higher prices that are going to be established in the market. So that's important to note. When we look at arbitrage, the one thing we have to focus on is the transaction costs. And a lot of buyers don't focus on transaction costs when they make decisions. When we look at transaction costs, we're focused on how costs are going to be evaluated when we make transactions. I should focus more on the aspect of when we buy a good or service. So if you look at the time involved, if you look at gasoline, that kind of thing, that's important to evaluate. And a lot of us don't really look at our transaction costs, but transaction costs are very important for us to evaluate. So those are some of the concepts that we're going to be focused on this week. If you have any questions, please let me know. But I'm more than willing to assist with additional resources, but please take advantage of your 2 attempts on quiz number 5. But I look forward to your